Hi English 9 classes. I just have a couple of announcements and then we'll get started on what we're doing for today. So the first announcement is, again, we have parent-teacher conferences coming up on Thursday. Your parents, guardians should have received an email to let them know that they sign up for virtual, 10-minute virtual meetings. So if that has not happened and they want to attend conferences, please let us know. And with that, we have F calls going out this week. So Monday and Tuesday this week, your advisory teachers will be calling parents if you have an F in any class. You might want to look at that and try to get that made up as soon as you can. Then the other announcement I have is to please check your email regularly. I think Troy said there is a survey out there right now that he would like you to log in and do that survey. So those are the announcements for today. Today, I just want to talk to you for a minute about something that's kind of concerning to me, and I'm going to show you something here. Let me put that up here. Okay, so this is what the gradebook looks like to me in Google Classroom. And I got rid of all the names that are here on this side. But as you can see through our assignments, intro, self-side, introduce yourself, all about me, my school experience, my scary house. These are all the assignments that we've had so far. You can see that I've had very few actually turned in. Most of you guys have missing assignments, and that's very concerning. So I just wanted to point that out to you really quickly. Let's see, I don't want to say that. So here we are back in our English 9 class. And how this goes, every Wednesday I give you a new prompt. So a couple Wednesdays ago I gave you the prompt to describe to me your one school experience that you've had. So that's on Wednesday. I take the weekend and I grade your submissions. And then on Monday or Tuesday, depending on when we meet, I give you class time to edit your work and to make any corrections that I suggested. So that's Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, you get your new prompt. I need the weekend to write comments on your papers. You can't do it otherwise before Monday. So make sure that if you get that prompt Wednesday or Thursday, that you get it into me by the weekend so I have time to comment on it. Otherwise, what happens is you hand in something, like say you hand it in the next Monday, and I don't have time to get back to it so that you can work on it in class to make revisions. So you get 10 out of 20 points, and that kind of stinks. And I'll get to it as soon as I can to make any revisions, but that just means that you have homework now. So make sure that you're staying up with our class, that you're getting things turned in. So what have we done so far? Well, let me show you this. I'm actually going to go to this class. I'll go to classwork and I'll just show you. If you'll scroll down to my memoir on classwork, you'll see we've done all about me, my school experience, my scary house experience. So all about me is just basically questions, and then you have a paragraph to write about yourself. And that paragraph is, well, it's because I want to know more about you, but it's mostly because I need a writing sample from you from the beginning of the year so that I can see how you're progressing throughout the year in your writing. So if you'll get that into me as soon as possible, and I'll have that. That one I actually don't make corrections on. I don't have you redo it at all. My school experience and my scary house experience, you're going to choose one specific time, one specific experience that you've had, like school experience. Don't tell me about first, second, third grade I went to this school and fourth grade I went to this school. Just tell me about one time, one experience. And you give me as many details as you can. I am looking mostly at that one for grammar mistakes or punctuation mistakes. That's what we're working on at the beginning of the year here. So if you'll get that into me, I'll make suggestions for corrections and get it back to you. My scary house, tell me one time that you were someplace that was scary. Was it a house? Was it a cabin? Was it a garage? Was it a forest? Was it in a corn maze? sometime you were at a place and you had a scary experience. And again, I'm mostly looking for punctuation and grammar mistakes. And I'll get back to you and you can make corrections on that. So if you guys have any questions on any of these, you can email me at chubble, Chubble, at psdschools.org, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Otherwise, you have your next prompt coming up this Wednesday, Thursday. So make sure that you have these 3 things under your belt so that we can move on. Okay, I think that's it. It is a working day today, so go ahead and just work and get these things turned in. Thanks, guys.